Welcome back. Hospitality support professionals play a key role on Spectrum Health healthcare teams. In addition to providing high-quality customer service, team members directly impact the safety, presentation, and culinary experience of hospitals and facilities for all patients and visiting families. To tell us more about job and career opportunities in hospitality support is Marcus Taylor, Spectrum Health Environmental Services Manager. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, it's our pleasure. So why are the roles of hospitality support professionals so important?
Well, hospitality support includes positions in both environmental services and nutrition services at Spectrum Health. A typical day for these professionals include ensuring the presentation and cleanliness of all the hospital areas and preparing and serving nourishing meals to patients, their families, their visitors, and our staff. And ultimately, we aim to provide a renowned hospitality experience to those who need our services.
So they're really a support staff to everybody that steps foot into that hospital.
They sure are, yep.
All right, so it sounds like you guys really use the term key and essential when it comes to these guys. So talk a little bit more about their daily in and out of what they do. You kind of hit on it a little bit, but maybe a little bit more impact on that so we can get some people interested in joining your team.
Yeah, for sure. They're super essential. Our work treating and caring for patients would grind to a halt without these important workers. And in fact, they're sort of the unsung heroes of the COVID pandemic. You probably think of a heart surgeon or other high-profile physician as a hero during these times, and that's certainly true. But those surgeons would be unable to perform their procedures without a clean and sterile operating room. And that's just one of the many key roles that hospitality professionals carry out.
So as you brought up right now that keyword right now, COVID, so their job definitely is in high demand.
For sure. Yeah, our Spectrum Health Environmental Services team works around the clock to keep hospitals clean. And that includes every space in the entire organization that's touched by patients, staff, and visitors. So that includes operating rooms, patient rooms, nursing station, waiting rooms, and lobbies and corridors, just to name a few.
And so beyond the cleaning part of it, the nutrition element that they bring to your staff and to everybody who visits as well. Talk about the nutrition services.
Yeah, for sure. Nutrition services team members, they prepare and deliver hot, fresh, nutritious meals for patients, visitors, and staff. You might think of family members who have spent a long night at the bedside, or clinical staff that have worked all night, are grateful for a fresh meal, or sometimes just a nice hot cup of coffee.
For someone who's kind of considering an employment in the medical field, but they really don't know quite what career path they want to go down, how is being a hospitality support professional maybe a great place to start?
Sure. We have people who love the job and have been doing it proudly for many years. But we also have others who have used hospitality support services positions as a way of finding out more about other healthcare careers. So many hospitality workers are studying for another healthcare career while in their current hospitality role. So it's important to keep in mind that Spectrum Health is the largest employer in West Michigan. We have over 31,000 employees in 14 hospitals. This includes Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, the Butterworth Hospital, Blodgett Hospital, and somewhere around 155 other additional sites. So there can be a lot of movement within the organization, both vertically and laterally.
And let's talk about some of the benefits that come with the job.
Sure. Full-time and part-time positions at 20 hours per week or more offer benefits including medical, dental, and vision, just to name a few. There's on-the-job training, and the positions start at $14 an hour. And right now we have immediate openings.
All right. If people would like to learn more about those openings, where can they go?
www.spectrumhealth.org/hospitality jobs.
All right. Well, we do thank you so much for your time this morning.